Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Supu Vlogs. Here I came back with another vlog, a day in my office. Let's get in the video. Currently, I am working for a software company called Capgemini, which is located in Epip campus, Whitefield, Bangalore. So, let me start showing you from the entrance gate. As you can see, this is the main entrance of our campus. See how beautiful the view is. Here comes the most beautiful part of our campus. As you guys can see, this place is so calm and soothing to the mind that it makes me feel ready for the day. As I walk further, you can see the rush of greenery flowing around these plants and trees. Again adds on to the best ambience. Our EPIP campus has 9 different blocks, and entire theme is based on Indian National Park, and each block depicts a national park name. I usually report to Patagonia block with my teammates. So guys, let me take you all with me and show how my office looks from inside. As soon as I log in, I first check all my mails and go through the calendar to plan for my daily tasks. Now I am heading up for coffee. I am usually not a coffee person, but since me entering into IT sector, I have started liking more of it, and it makes me feel refreshed while working. I think every software employee will relate to it. Let me know in the comment section if you are a coffee person or tea person. After completion of my cup of coffee, going back to resume my work. Now I am heading for lunch. Surrounding our company, we have many food stalls. Regularly, I will not prefer outside food. If we have emergency meetings, I will just have a bite and continue with my work. Most of the work has been completed, so came out for a break. This is our campus cafeteria. That's all for this vlog. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.